آمنت بالله وملائكته وكتبه ورسله واليوم الآخر والقدر خيره وشره من الله.
Assalamu alaikum, peace be with you. My name is Muhammed. I'm an accredited physiotherapist and also a certified hijama practitioner. As most of you are aware, hijama, also known as wet cupping, it's a traditional technique that has been used for many centuries. It has also been recommended by our beloved Prophet Muhammad. In one narration, the Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him, said, "Indeed, the best of remedies you have is cupping." In another narration, on the night journey, the Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him, didn't pass by an angel except that the angel said to him, "Order your nation with cupping." Hidžama or wet cupping is the process of using a vacuum at different points on the body, but with small incisions in order to remove harmful blood which lies just beneath the surface of the skin. This harmful blood could be made up of toxins such as lactic acid as your muscle fatigue.
Assalamu alaikum, peace be upon you all. My name is Dima and I'm an accredited radiographer and certified hijama therapist. I will be taking care of the females at Riverwood Physiotherapy and Allied Health. There are many benefits of hijama, but the main ones are as follows. Hijama helps relieve back pain, neck, shoulder pain, knee pain, gout, rheumatoid arthritis, bronchitis, hypertension, headaches and migraines, and many, many more.
So hijama is a practice that's recommended throughout the year. Many people with their consults here are surprised at the quantity of toxins that come out after their visit. But this is perfectly normal. We explain the stress at work, the stress with the family, the day-to-day activities, the prolonged standing and walking, all the fatigue and stress that your body goes through throughout the day. So toxins do build up, and hijama is a perfect way for a cleanse and detox to get them out. So the next time you think about a detox or a cleanse, consider hijama. We hope that you've learned something today, and if you have any questions, please feel free to comment below or contact us. Thank you for your time.